Hey guys, today I'm playing a psychological horror game. I found it on TikTok. I don't know. I've never played it before. It's called a stereotypical obby. I know I haven't posted in like almost a year, if not a year already, like a long-term video. So I'm gonna have to go back to doing that more often. So I'm just gonna start it here with psychological horrors. Why not? Don't trust James. All right, guys, we don't trust James. Warning, while playing, a very small percentage of people may experience a seizure when exposed to certain visual images, including flashing lights or patterns. I did not be able to read all that. But guys, warning, if you can get a seizure from this, please don't do that. Create lobby. Okay. I'll start the lobby. Because I'm alone. It's pretty chill, though. Apparently, it's a psychological horror, so I'll see how that turns out for me. All players have loaded? Yes, just me. I'm alone. Dude, after this, I'm playing some ice cream. Okay, this is Helper. It's not James. Hello and welcome to a Roblox obby. Your goal is to just get to the end. Simple enough for you, right? Make sure you stay on that course, and whatever you do, don't wander off. We don't want you getting hurt. Well, that seems to be all from me. Have fun. Okay, thank you, Helper. Who's James? Why can't we trust him? Are you James? Wait, so who's James? Okay, so this is just easy obbies. I swear I can just walk across this. Okay, I can. Jump, jump, jump. Okay, he's just giving me random stuff that I know I'm able to do, so this will be fine. Now I'm curious, who is James, and why can't we trust him, and where is he? Because I have not seen a James yet, so... Now this one will probably actually have to jump for, I'm assuming. Or not. This is a very easy obby so far, though. Should I put... Oh, it's just chill music. Okay. Now we just got nice little music in the background. I can barely hear it. I don't know. But, you know, this is how it rolls, I guess. We're still at the easy obby? Okay. Or no, did we progress to very easy? I don't know. I don't feel like falling, so. I'm pretty bad at those. Where you have to, like, jump. Those ones aren't really the jump ones, but it's still difficult a little bit. Because the ball kind of trips me up. I haven't done obbies in so long, actually, now that I think about it. I used to do them all the time. Like, did those, like, escape the school or whatever obbies. I used to do those all the time when I was younger. And when I would get to the hard parts, I would just have my older brother do them for me, and he would usually do them. And yeah, that was basically my life. I would just do obbies. They're fun though. We're still just at the easy stage, unless it progressed. I don't know if it progressed though. Where's my helper? I just realized my helper's gone. Where'd he go? Helper, I kind of need you right now. I actually don't need him, but I want to see his face. He was happy. Oh, okay, so we did progress. Oh, okay, guys. Normal has progressed. This is, it's still a nice obby. I'm just kind of... Yeah, this is fun, I guess. Who's James? Where is James? My next question is, why did it just get really dark? Wait, is the sound still on? That was loud. Okay, yeah, the sound is still on. I just can barely hear it while I talk, or even while I'm not talking, really. But, that's fine. Oh, I hurt myself. Hey, that means I don't die immediately when I hit the red, so that's good to know. Oh, now I'm at normal. I forgot to even mention that. Hop. Okay. All right. What did I almost just fell off for some reason because it didn't process. There was a block in the way, I guess. Okay. Normal is pretty nice, I'm not struggling. Well, now I am because I'm getting hurt. Okay, there we go. Oh, I'm assuming I'm not going to be able to touch those. I assume. Yes, I can't touch them. I just got hurt. This is a very interesting obby, though. Okay, difficult. We got rainbow. Why am I still walking? Okay. Oh, I swear I just twitched. I swear. I swear. Oh, shoot. I almost jumped on there. I swear my character twitched. Okay, yes, it did. I saw it. Okay. So now it's getting creepy. Oh, I keep on hurting myself. Dang it. Why's my character, like, twitching? What's going on? I'm twitching out. Dang. What is going on? Oh, we're at difficult mode. So I guess maybe as it progresses, I suffer more. Oh, whoops. My dog just sighed very loudly in the background. I don't know if you could hear her, but maybe you did. I don't know. You know, there's really no noise where I'm at right now. I was originally going to play like 5 different games. I did like the playthrough, and then it was so boring, and they were psychological horrors, but they weren't like, I wouldn't say film-worthy. They were definitely film-worthy, but like I just wasn't as interested in them, so I just kind of gave up and kept looking for more, and then I found this one. Because I think I did, like, I tried to do, oh, I swear I saw somebody there. I swear. I don't know if I was wrong. I don't know if I'm crazy. This game is also just making me see stuff, I guess, because there's so much lights and stuff. Oh, I hear that. I should probably lower the volume a little bit. What was that? Guys, this is so loud. I need to turn down the volume even more. Okay, the volume is at like nothing. How do I jump? Oh, I kind of see it. Okay, the red is where I gotta jump. What is going on? No, like, this is actually very difficult. I don't know if I'm gonna make it out alive. What the heck? Okay, I fell to my death. I might not be able to even, like, post this one. Okay. Because what is this? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to post this because, like, I'm having a little bit of difficulty, you know, jumping. Because I can't really see that well. I'm making it, though. I got it. Do I go down? Okay. Oh, I fell off to my death. Okay. That's fun. This game is freaking me out. Also, who is texting me? People keep on texting me. I don't know why. Okay, gotta walk slow. Okay, we gotta keep going down. Oh, no. I gotta walk across. There we go. Okay, I gotta jump. Jump, jump. Oh no, I almost fell. Jump, jump. This is tripping me out. This is like, I don't know. I feel like this is how you feel like, I don't know. I don't even know, dude. What am I talking about? Yeah, guys, I think I might be on level extreme right now because what is going on? I feel like I'm tripping out. Okay, I'm dying. That was, okay. So the color black is the red. It turned to the color black. Okay, noted. Oh, no. Let me skip this, please. I'd rather walk across than walk through that. No, thank you. Oh, I made it. Boom, boom, boom. This is very, no, I fell. I fell tower. Okay, that was the worst joke ever. Okay, jump, 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 jump. Up. We're going up. Oh, it's back to normal. I can finally, like, relatively see now. Yay. Whoa, look at that. That's really cool. This must have took them so long. Okay, I'm tweaking out even worse now. Look at my head. It's just fully twitching. It's not even ashamed. Why'd I go on the smaller one? I could have easily felt because of that. Oh, I gotta jump down now. I don't know. This game is definitely psychological horror because it's just tweaking out every couple seconds. What is this? I'm going through like a house or something. I guess. I'm not going through that. Ooh, a table! Guys, the psychological horror is about tables being thrown. Table. I think that might be symbolized boarded up windows right there, maybe. I made it out though. Yay to me. Where do I go? Oh, I go down here. I didn't know because I just saw red at the end. Ooh, it's like a sewer system. I don't know. I don't think I'm piecing together any puzzles. I'm just talking. Sewer system vibe. We saw chairs. Ooh. I don't know why I said ooh. Dang, I'm at level 45 already? Good for me. I have zero clue. This looks like, I don't know, a stove, maybe? It does not look like a stove. I'm lying to myself. I don't know what this could be at all, actually. These could be like people, maybe. You know, like evil people. I don't know. Okay, people are laying on the ground now. I don't know what any of this means. What is this? I don't know. Maybe I'm just like really dumb. Oh, I don't know why I did that. Ooh, jail time. Yeah, so those are people and like you go to jail. Oh, we're going through a tunnel. We escaped jail. Whoops. We're escaping jail. All right. Oh, no. It went back to this again. No. Oh, I'm getting injured. Oh, no. I'm getting injured. Why was I getting injured? What? Oh, tunnel. Oh, I'm tripping out. I don't know. This just is horrible. This is just horrible. 48. Oh, that's not where I'm supposed to stand. Oh, I forgot. And this, when it goes to... Oh, this could be like a car. We're on the road. Maybe I like crashed. Okay, how do I get across? Oh, it's back to normal. Yay. This is a bit easier for me to see. Maybe it's like cars. Like I got into a car crash. I hurt a bunch of people. Some tables were thrown. I went to jail. Escaped jail. I don't know. This is confusing. I do not know what's going on at all. Yeah, see, like, they look like a shape of a car, maybe. And, like, the lines on the road also symbolize that. How do I cross? Turn back? How do I turn back? Connection lost. Okay. Reestablishing connection. All right. Success. Yes. Can we continue, please? Oh, please stop. What are we... Oh, no, but the thing says 50. Do I just have to redo it all? Because it says stage 50 still. And now I'm at 51. Helper, he's back. And he's smiling. Wait, how did he smile before? I feel like he had, the normal Roblox smile. Why is he even more happy? And he's speaking gibberish now. So this was definitely intentional, obviously. Maybe I'll have to go back and, do another video just on this game and, see what it's like turning back. Okay, he's still speaking gibberish. Wait, what was the guy I'm not supposed to trust or something? It was, Jackson or John or something. I don't know. I don't really remember. But his name's still Helper. So, I mean, I get to still trust him. It did say turn back. I did, in fact, not turn back. I probably should have. So maybe if this video still takes a long time, I'll turn back and see how that ends up for me, if I'm even allowed to. That also depends, obviously. But we'll just have to see. Oh! Hey, guys! I'm gonna turn to the... What have you done? What have I done, brother? Why are all the helpers looking at me? You made this? No, I did not. I just joined the game. Now you will pay. What did I do? Dude, I'm hungry. Connection terminated. Aw. Connection terminated, man. Dang it. Oh, look. I'm in, VR. Oh, shoot. Oh, that scared me. Oh my god, that scared me so bad. My dog Bella just jumped. Okay, so I got the bad ending. So maybe if I turn around next time, Guys, in the next game that I play, like this will be, I'll make a part 2, and then I will play and try to maybe find the good ending, I guess. My dog got scared. Alright guys, bye. I'll see you in the next video.